Hi guys, welcome back. Today is going to be an extremely short video because I'm actually right now working on something for you guys and I'm not ready. But I just got a text message alert from Amazon. We've got a 72 slot high capacity zipper pen and pencil case holder. Check the price out. 72 slots. $5.80. Don't walk, run. They go for much, much more than that. There's several different varieties. There's one that, well, it's kind of kiddie. It's got a little crossbow on the zipper part. A little childish, but who cares? It's a pencil case. There's a cuter one. It's a little bit more money. It's $8.61. It's got flowers on it. One that I like the best, actually, it's got black lines on it and red. And I actually like that the best, but it was $12.99, which is still pretty good. And then there's the same one in blue as the one with the stripes. So you have your choice between black and red or blue and white. Then there's a cutesy one for, how much is this one? Oh, this is a good price too. Okay, one with hearts and lips and emojis and diamonds, and that's very cute. It's $7.20. And they have the same one in blue. Oh, good price. Whoa. $5.26. I'm leaving the link in the description. Don't miss this deal. This is like walking away with them. And I'll be back when I finish the picture. And also our lesson is tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.